Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Well, we have some exciting news to share. My son Kevin and his girlfriend got engaged over Labor Day weekend, and we are so excited, over the moon. Ashley has always been a daughter to me. It's official now. She is my daughter, and my son is getting married, and like, what? It has just been, oh my God, such a great weekend. Because of that, I have to be perfect because I'm the mother of the groom. So I am starting a new journey, and I know this may not be the news you want to hear, but I'm not doing Ozempic. No. And I'm not doing anything crazy, but I'm gonna go back on Optavia, guys. It's the only thing that works, and I know it's inflammatory and I feel like crap when I'm on it, but I gotta get the weight off, and I'm gonna do it. So, you know, those of you who aren't a fan of me floundering around, this is your sign to exit the channel. That's fine. I just want to get some weight off so that I can be stunning at the wedding, not to take in any way, shape, or form over for my future daughter-in-law. But, you know, if I have to dance with my son in front of everybody, I just want to be comfortable in my own skin. You know, you have to buy a certain type of dress, and I'm not where I want to be. And even though carnivore and ketovore and all of those things are working as far as me feeling good, the weight is kind of stagnant, and I need the weight off. So I'm going to do it short term. I'm going to probably do this for about 3 months. The weight will be off, and then I'll go back into my carnivore ketovore. So I placed an order about a week ago or so, and the food arrived. And this morning I started off with a hot chocolate in my coffee, and it was really good. Really good. Let's see how I do. I don't know how it's gonna go, but that's the plan. And now that is like the biggest motivation. So should be exciting. Anyway, tomorrow I'm going to get my hair dyed dark, back to my natural color. See the roots? That's my natural color. I want to go back dark. I actually need gas, so let's go get gas. Be right back. So we sit and wait because the gas station is packed, and I have to be at work very shortly, and I'm running late. So let's go, Mr. Gas Station Attendant. Anyway, let me show you while we're sitting here. I have my Stanley cup of water. I have a couple of fuelings with me. So I'm going to be bringing you through the day, and a huge lanternfly just landed on my windshield. All right, guys, it's the next day. I'm on my way to the hair salon. I have my hair in one of those little clips. Bye-bye blonde. Hello dark. It's time. My hair's dry. Just need a change. I want to go back to dark. So here we go. To the salon.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down.
All right, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Look! I love it. I love it. She smashed it. I'm sweating, guys. It's really hot here. But she killed it. It looks so beautiful. Oh my God, I love it. All right, so I have to do a little bit of different makeup. I have to add some bronzer because I went light on the makeup because my hair was so light. But guys, my hair right now is so soft and I love it. Woo! Okay, let's get home and we'll, I can't get over it. It looks so good. She kept some highlights in there so it wouldn't be shocking, but it's still kind of shocking, but I absolutely love it. My hair's gonna grow. It's gonna be healthy, something different. I love it. Oh my God, I freaking love it. All right, we'll see you home. Hey guys, I'm outside, changed it into a t-shirt. Woo, it is hot out here. Do you like the color? I absolutely can't stop looking at it. I love it. I think it's fabulous. And look, all of my makeup got washed off. Do you see it? All of that got washed off at the hair salon, but I don't care. These highlights in there are natural from the blonde, which I kind of like. It gives some dimension. And yeah, I just can't. I can't stop. I like look at myself and I think, who the heck is that? But anyway, I love it. I think it's a great change. My life is changing in so many ways, and this is just one of those things, a good opportunity to let my hair get healthy again. You know, stop with the bleaching and no more breakage. Just, yeah, it's gonna be nice. Anyway, okay, so Optavia, doing well today, and I had 2 protein bars. I had the hot chocolate and a bag of cinnamon O's. And Leaning Green will be next. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to have for that. Jess and I are going to actually have it together, a seafood meal. And yeah, you know, like Kevin and Ashley's engagement, oh my God. If there's no motivation for me to lose this weight, it is this, and it'll happen. I mean, I'm on day 3 now and have been doing amazing, no cheats, just focused on getting my body back to where I need to, getting my hair back to its healthiness. Look at this, it just looks so good. And it's, if you could feel my hair, and I'm sorry I keep touching it, it's so soft. Yeah, I like it, guys. All right, I will see you at Leaning Green. Right, Paige? Give me a kiss. Paisley got a haircut today, too. Yes, she did. Okay, I love you. Mwah! All right, guys, we'll see you at Leaning Green. And here's Leaning Green. We've got 6 ounces of tilapia because I didn't have enough. I have 3 ounces of avocado. I have my lettuce spinach blend. And I'm going to use the avocado as the dressing. A Diet Coke Zero. And this is the avocado mash that I buy. I get this at BJ's. I'm going to show you the ingredients. It's so clean. Absolutely fabulous for any meal plan. There you go. Avocados, lemon juice, sea salt, and pepper. And this is the lettuce and spinach blend. It's 15 calories per serving. So that is Leaning Green. And I'm going to show you how I tweaked Jess's so he could eat with me.
Well, it should look familiar. You just made it.
Tell everybody.
First of all, it's wonderful.
Thank you.
Very tasty. It is salad, avocado, rice, and fish. Or tilapia.
So what's in your plate that I did not have?
Rice.
Right.
It's a very easy test.
Yeah, and I put some Italian dressing on yours too.
What
So you like it?
talking about? What do you mean you put the Italians in my...
So look, you could do a version of Optavia that's not Optavia. All right, guys, so my last fueling of the night will be a brownie. I'm gonna go relax. I'm shot. I'm still coughing, which is driving me crazy. My body is tired, and so I just wanted to say goodnight, do this little outro for you. So day 3 on 5 and 1, doing amazing. and actually feeling good. No pain, no inflammation markers as of yet. So we'll see how it goes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching me get my hair dyed brown. And yeah, we'll be making some new content for you and lots of exciting things around the corner. So anyway, I love you all. I hope you have a great day. And remember, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. Have a great night. Bye, guys.